Today we're going to season a brand new fry pan. This is a new carbon steel fry pan. You can use a fry pan like this for Chinese cooking as well. You can do some nice stir fries, and you can cook different kind of foods. So it'll be virtually non-stick. So eventually you want to make the surface similar to this surface of my wok. So this was a brand new wok that I did for seasoning. And then this wok is brand new. Eventually this fry pan will look like this wok with the surface, because they're both carbon steel. First we're going to clean the surface of the pan, so I put some boiling water on it. So don't worry about scratching the surface. I'm just using a pad with a scrubber on it. So just going to clean this side. And then I'm just going to clean the handle too. I'm not going to condition the handle. I think it's got some kind of coating on it. But I'm going to clean it anyway, just by using the soap pad here. So it's supposed to be natural beeswax, so it actually helps the conditioning. So you don't need to remove all of it. So I don't think they put as much beeswax as they used to. But basically, I scrubbed it. The surface seems pretty good. And then we're going to do the same for the other side. We're going to put some boiling water over the surface. So I'll put some more of this dish liquid detergent. So normally when you use a wok, you don't need to use soap when you clean it, but for the first step I do put some mild dishwashing liquid just to clean the surface.
Here I'm using a portable outdoor stove to season the carbon steel fry pan. Put the heat setting on high. Pan will start turning brown. So then the pan surface will turn blue. It turns blue because of the protective layer of blue iron oxide, which protects the surface of the pan before seasoning. For the next step, add 3 or 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, such as peanut oil or corn oil. But don't use olive oil, because olive oil has a low burning temperature. Spread the cooking oil over the frying pan surface using a paper napkin. I like to use tongs so I don't burn my fingers. So once you finish oiling the pan, add some more oil to the napkin and do the whole process again. With a good quality carbon steel fry pan, it's nearly impossible to destroy it. You can season a new carbon steel fry pan according to the instructions enclosed, but I like to season the carbon steel fry pan just like the way I season a brand new wok. This is the third time I'm going to apply the oil to the surface of the frying pan. So I did it the same way with my wok. So as you can see, the surface is now more brown. There is less blue color because the iron oxide has been burned off. Some people like to use potato skins, but I use the traditional ingredients for seasoning a Chinese wok. So I find some old green onions. I have some ginger. And I'm going to add some more oil as I go. So you can just stir fry the ginger and green onions. So this is the first step in turning your surface into a black patina finish. So eventually the surface of the pan will be non-stick. Now just take a napkin and wipe down the surface of your fry pan. So there you have it. Your newly seasoned carbon steel fry pan is ready for all your cooking adventures.
So from what I see already, it's a fantastic pan, very thick and heavy. So this will last a lifetime. So make sure you put it in the inheritance, because you won't outlast this pan. So this pan, you can see it's really heavy duty. It's really thick and it's really heavy. So you might have trouble flipping food on it. But this surface, I'm pretty sure won't warp because it's so thick. And this is carbon steel. So when you cook, you'll have that sear, carbon sear flavor coming through. So this is by Debuer. I think it's called Debuer. It's a French company, but a lot of people call it Dubayer.
Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use.
Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe.
If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.